17 hotel staff secrets you'll want to know. When you're booking a vacation, finding a cheap deal can be pretty stressful. You're not just looking for a cheap way of getting there. Ideally, you're looking for a decent priced flight and hotel. At the same time, you want top quality. Researching all this information takes hours, and going through a travel agent just doesn't cut it anymore. But eventually, you end up finding a flight, and now you start looking for hotels. The stress continues, but we have something that'll help you in your quest. To really prep yourself before you go on your next trip, here are some tricks that'll help you save money and give you a great vacation. But first, click subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. Number 1. Prices change. The prices for hotels change on a day-to-day basis. Depending on the season, you can get an amazing hotel for a great price. That's why it's better to book a room as last minute as possible. Because if you do it too in advance, the price may be too high. Number 2. Changing your room. If you don't like the room you were given, you can change it for free. You can simply talk to the staff. For example, if you don't like the room for subjective reasons, such as not liking the floor the room is located, you can ask to change the room. They shouldn't charge you for it. Number 3. Hotel ratings. Choose a hotel based on its rating, rather than simply looking for the number of stars it has. We live in a time where we can write and read reviews to get a better idea. We totally get that different people have different tastes, but sometimes a 3-star hotel can get a better comment than a 5-star hotel. Number 4. Taking stuff from the hotel. Don't feel guilty if you decide to take some souvenirs after you stay in a hotel. You're allowed to take the shampoo, shower gel, and the cosmetic products. Number 5. The golden keys. Become friendly with the concierge with the golden keys pin. Not only can they get you tickets to concerts and organize tours, they're there to ensure that you have the best room experience possible. If you don't like your room, you can always check with the concierge. Number 6. Discounted rooms. Booking discounted rooms directly with the hotel is smart. Hotels want to sell as many rooms as possible on a regular basis. Therefore, they pay a fee to various sites so they can offer certain rooms. And you don't get the best room at a discount. By calling the hotel directly, they'll most likely meet your request. Number 7. Hotel photos. Photos of hotel rooms can be deceiving. That's why it's best that while reading reviews about the hotel, to check out the photos that people who stayed there post. It will be more realistic. Number 8. Minibars. The minibar is definitely something you should check. The people staying before you could have drank and poured tap water into the bottle instead. Number 9. On-site parking. Make sure you read the contract thoroughly before leaving your car on-site at a hotel. Usually, the contract states that the hotel is not responsible for cars parked on the site. Number 10. Canceling. Things come up, and you need a way to cancel a reservation without paying a cent for it. Well, there's a perfect solution for that. Instead of canceling the reservation immediately, ask to move it ahead a week. Then the next day, simply call the hotel again and cancel it. You won't pay anything for your cancellation. Number 11. You might get walked. Unless you're a dog, then we can assure you this term isn't going to be fun. Keep in mind that because cancellation rates are pretty high, about 10% of people cancel their reservations with hotels daily. Then these places to stay tend to overbook. And what happens is if they're overbooked and you show up intending to stay there, you get walked, which means the hotel will now pay for the entire night's room and tax at another comparable hotel in the area. Pretty lame, but not the worst thing in the world, we guess. But how do you know if you're getting walked? Well, Mental Floss has a good, prepared list of reasons for us. A guest is more likely to get walked if, number 1, he booked using Expedia. Hence, he has a deeply discounted rate and is less important. Number 2, he never stayed here before and may never visit the city again. Number 3, he's a one-nighter. Number 4, And this one is so much more important than the others. He's acting like a jerk. So don't be a jerk, and you won't have to move hotels. Simple as that. Number 12, complain right. So you're in a hotel. You manage to avoid getting walked. But there's a problem. Any problem. Doesn't matter really. The point is what you do at that point. Call the front desk and complain loudly, brutally, and wickedly, right? Well, you're half right. What you should do is call the front desk calmly and ask them the right questions. Describe to them your situation, then ask who to call to handle it. While most of the time the front desk will be able to help you, if you give suggestions, it might make their job much easier. Also, if you want to make sure they're listening and will give you the best solution, get their name. Nothing makes an employee more attentive than calling them directly by name. Number 13, better rooms. We know that if you want a room upgrade, you just need to ask. But what if they insist that there's nothing better for you? Well, Mental Floss has a bit of first-hand experience with that. They say that here is one of the top lies that comes out of a front desk agent's mouth. All the rooms are basically the same, sir. Bull. There's always a corner room, a room with a bigger flat screen, a room that, because of the building's layout, has a larger bath with 2 sinks, a room that fits the 2 rollaways with ease, a room that, though listed as standard, actually has a partial view of the Hudson River. There is always a better room. And when I feel that 20 you slipped me burning in my pocket, I'll find it for you. And if there's nothing to be done room-wise, I have a slew of other options. Late checkout, free movies, free minibar, room service amenities, and more. I will do whatever it takes to deserve the tip, and then a little bit more in the hope that you'll hit me again. And don't be nervous about slipping a tip to the concierge. They are authorized to upgrade for special occasions, and a tip sounds pretty special to us. Number 14, always request clean linens. We've all seen that news special where they go to a seedy hotel, turn off the lights, keep on some black lights, and then the place lights up like the 4th of July. Well, the good news about this is that hotels often will wash and change the sheets every day. The bad news is that blankets only get washed once a week, and the bedspreads are never washed if there's no visible stains, according to our sources. Just ask the concierge for some new ones when you arrive, then fold up everything that isn't a sheet once you get to the actual room. Place it on a chair and leave it. Hopefully, you won't have to see it again. Number 15, don't drink from the glasses. It may seem pretty gross, but the hotel secret experts at theposition.com have some horror stories about how the staff treats the glasses in the hotels. They report that, if you're going to use them, clean them yourself, as a favorite ruse among the housekeepers is to wash them in the toilets. In that light, don't leave your toothbrushes out. Your best bet is to not drink from the glassware in the hotel room. Instead, ask for sealed, plastic glasses at the concierge desk or go with bottled water. Also, Mental Floss has a concerning fact about the glasses in the rooms. Sometimes they're washed out with furniture cleaner. Our advice, bring your own water bottle. At least that you can trust. Number 16, check the lost and found. This is actually a pretty edgy and rock and roll secret. So if you can't handle that, skip a couple of seconds ahead in the video. Say you forgot your phone charger and you really need to keep that baby alive. What do? Buy another one? Well, not necessarily. If you've got a bad side, just go find the lost and found and tell the people in charge that you lost a charger that would fit your phone. 9 times out of 10, they'll have it and they'll just hand it over. Easy as that. You're a criminal and a deviant now. We hope you know that. You should slow down, Motley Crue. Save some heck raising for the rest of us. Number 17, be polite. Honestly, a surefire way to ensure the best experience is to just be nice to everyone around you. This can apply to regular life as well. And so, our list of tricks to do before booking a hotel is complete. What did you learn from this list? Did you figure out a way that you're going to plan your next trip? Or did we miss any of the best hacks? Let us know in the comment section below everything we forgot about booking a hotel. Enjoyed this video?
hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.